guys, it's if you like, subscribe. So we got new fidgets. These are mine. These are my brother's. And we got a gnome, Mr. Snowball, and we got a Ella.
Yeah, we bought it.
Yeah, it's totally a new cat. I mean, it's just a...
It's a puppet. Bop, 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 bop. And now for the pup.
Oh no! No, guys, for my brother. And Ella wants to rest.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, she does. Why is she laying? Oh, she just wants to be a part of the video. That's probably why.
Hey, Mr. Snowball.
Oh, why Mr. Snowball hates you now. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, why did you? I guess you like Mr. Snowball. My brother's fidgets. Guys, show them your fidgets.
I got fidgets, Pino, and a fidget.
A rainbow puppet. Yeah, and he got this shell puppet, I think it's called. And I kind of got the same. I got a fidget spinner, one of my dream fidgets, that puppet and all, and a glow in the dark hexagon puppet. It's also pretty cool. I like, and also a shell puppet, one of my dreams also. I have to pet. Oh, sorry, guys. So we're going pretty much to opening mine because my brother opened it in the car. Stop! I like the nose. What is it? He is not enjoying this. First, I'm opening this puppet. And yeah, which way do you open this again? Bruh, is this supposed to... Okay, guys, I'll open this puppet. Okay, let's try the other side. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, that's from my brothers. Yeah, okay. So, now we're doing this. As you can see, you can also pop it here. And the other side. Okay, you can already tell it's pretty cool.
Here you go, Kitty.
Pull it just down.
Fluffy. Mr. Nose.
Bruh. Oh, we got it out. See, she's already... Oh, now Mr. Gnome has a puppet. I will have to make a screenshot. Guys, make a screenshot of this and please make an edit of some sort, okay? With Ella, Mr. Gnome, and his puppet. Please make an edit of this. If you screenshot this and make an edit, please. Our third puppet, Dimple, is a dimple spinner with also one of my dream fidgets. My brother got one, it's a rainbow. I got a galaxy one because
Mr. Nose.
Oh, you know, well, they kind of saw it. Well, okay, here is my puppet. I like it because it has black and also I don't really want to mix up with my brother. And this has this.
No, yes, always in.
Wait. Guys, another screenshot for you. If you're going to make the edit.
And make this a screenshot as well. Imagine it.
Also another screenshot. You can also make it with my brother's hand. Okay, and now with thumb. That's the end of the video. Please subscribe and bye.